YouTube, what it do, it is Hunter here. Welcome back to another banger of today's video. Chat, you already know what the dealio is. Today we are walking outside, not too far from my apartment complex. It was pouring a little bit, I ain't gonna lie, but basically, damn, this looking kind of pouring, bro. I gotta stay close to the edge because I'm not gonna lie, there'd be a bunch of stuff coming through, you know what I'm saying? And I'm over here just walking while it's like pouring today on a chill ass Sunday. I took the shroom gummy today because I'm off of work. I have no obligations right now, so I'm taking the Sunday reset for all I can take it, sleep in and recover the body, especially when you go hard back-to-back closing shifts. But aside from that, y'all, I decided to come outside and go for a little walk for 30 minutes because it's part of my cardio and stuff, so I can look fit. Even though I just took shrooms and smoked a little bit, it's like it's kicking. I don't know if it's kicked in yet or if it has or if it hasn't, but I'm just filming this and documenting this right now since I haven't made a video the past couple days, but I still like to consistently upload for everybody. So if you're enjoying this video, join me rambling, you know, sure, like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content, because I'm still making things happen out here. But yeah, y'all, I'm outside with it. The reason why I decided to come outside because I was like, man, I'm in an environment where I can come outside, where I can vlog, where I can like be free. You know, everybody's inside, it's pouring, chilling. Sundays are probably one of the chillest days ever. I was really looking forward to it, you know, because let's see, on Friday they had me come in at 4 and I had to stay all the way till closing because one of the coworkers were sick. So I was like, all right, cool, I'll cover it. I was trying so hard not to complain, you know, but I guess it's like that when you haven't worked in quite some time, you know. But the benefit is money, you know, and to times like this, the way that the system is set up is for you to fail, especially if you're in my generation. Like, it's tough for us to fail. It's like, screw that. A handful of us Gen Zers out here, you know, are actually making it happen, doing it, trying to improve their life, overcome and kill substance use and vices that are holding them back, like myself. But it's still me documenting and vlogging it each and every day because I'm actually growing a decent audience on this channel, which is freaking awesome. So I'm just taking it all in right now and killing time to record this shit. But I'm gonna get back to this walk and I'm gonna keep filming whilst we took the one shroom gummy, see how it goes. Because I'm kind of feeling it in the body, kind of low-key. Then we'll continue vlogging it. But other than that, let's keep it going.